Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to recover your LinkedIn account. For that, first of all, go to any browser and search for np.linkedin.com. Then this page will be open. Then you have to directly click on forget password. Once you have clicked it, now you need to add your email address. Then hit on next. Then a verification code in your mentioned Gmail account has been sent. Check that verification code and then enter here. Now choose a new password and then retype new password and hit on the submit to change your password. In this way you can recover your LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.